In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make the most out of your learning experience with Udemy courses. Whether you're looking to gain a new skill, improve your knowledge in a particular area, or simply enjoy the thrill of learning something new, Udemy offers a vast array of courses that can help you achieve your goals. Let's dive into the process and explore how you can effectively learn from these courses. To begin with, you'll want to start on your Udemy dashboard where you can browse through the courses available. Udemy offers an extensive catalog covering a wide range of subjects, from technical skills like coding and graphic design to personal development and more. Take your time to select a course that not only piques your interest but aligns with your learning objectives. It's essential to choose something that excites you, as this will keep you motivated throughout the learning journey. Before making a purchase, it's crucial to know the details of the course. Udemy provides a wealth of information about each one, including an overview of what you'll learn, the course structure, and even reviews from other learners. Take advantage of the video previews often available, as these can give you a glimpse into the course's quality and teaching style. This step ensures that the course content meets your expectations and is relevant to your needs. Once you've identified a course that suits you, it's time to purchase it. Doing so will allow you full access to all the course materials. Remember, it's an investment in your personal or professional growth, so consider it wisely. If you're concerned about expenses, Udemy frequently offers discounts and promotions, so keeping an eye out for those can be beneficial. After purchasing, you can dive into the course content. Start by going through the lectures at your own pace. One of the great advantages of Udemy courses is their flexibility, allowing you to learn whenever and wherever it's convenient for you. As you navigate through the course, you'll likely encounter various practical exercises and quizzes. These are designed to help you apply what you've learned and solidify your understanding. Embrace these opportunities to test your knowledge, as active participation is key to retention. As you progress, don't hesitate to pause and revisit any sections where you feel you need more clarity. Sometimes rewatching a video or attempting a practical exercise again can make a big difference in comprehension. If the course offers community or instructor interactions, take advantage of them. Asking questions or joining discussions can enrich your learning experience significantly. In summary, by carefully selecting a course, understanding its details, making a deliberate purchase, and engaging with the material actively, you can truly maximize your learning on Udemy. Remember, the process of learning is uniquely yours, so tailor it to fit your style and pace. Happy learning, and may your journey on Udemy be both educational and exhilarating.